Look over here at me. No, sit on the couch. Sit on the couch. And okay, now this is a video for Mom. So tell her what you want to tell her, okay? But look at the phone and speak loud so she can hear you. Okay?
Hi, Mom.
That's good. What else do you want to tell her? You want to tell her to have fun where she is? Where is she?
Have fun in Vancouver.
Yes. She will have fun in Vancouver. Tell her, what did we eat for supper tonight? For dinner, I should say.
We ate corn and macaroni and cheese for dinner.
Okay, corn and macaroni and cheese. Yeah, don't wiggle your
And
feet.
ribs.
And ribs. Tell Mom.
There was bone in the ribs.
Yeah, there's a bone in the ribs. Tell Mom what happens when Grandpa eats a rib. What's inside of every single rib that Grandpa eats?
Bones.
Bones, that's right. So do you want to blow Mom a kiss? Say, Mom, I love you very much. Here's a kiss.
Yeah.
Blow her a kiss with your hand. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye, Mom. I love you.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
Okay, good.